Good morning to all. The today news. External Affairs Minister Shri Jaishankar said that the peace process should protect the minority. In the brief, he said that the Afghan peace process, which began the today, would preserve the interest of minority, women, and vulnerable sections. Via the video link, he said that the issue of violence across the country and its neighborhood has to be effectively addressed. The next news from Fazilka Abohar. The weapon seized near Pakistan border. The next news from Kolkata. The PLA released 5 Arunachal youth. In the brief, the 5 Arunachal Pradesh youth whose disappearance had triggered a diplomatic row between the India and China were today handed over to the Indian Army by the Chinese PLA at the Kitbu. The next news from Ambala. The liquor with fake labels seized. In the brief, here the bottle found with the label of popular brand MC Double Number 1, the Old Moke and the Royal Challenges. A news from Chandigarh. The post-protest Saad make U-turn on ordinance. Here the address farmers' apprehensions on MSP system first. Akalis are union government. The next news from Mohali, arrest warrant against the Shaini in Multani case. Here, in brief, a local court issued an arrest warrant against former DGP Sumedh Singh in the alleged kidnapping and murder case of Balwant Singh Multani here today. The next news from Chandigarh, the government rolls out Smart Ration Card Scheme. In the brief here, the even as he launched the Smart Ration Card Scheme to cover 1.41 crore beneficiaries across the state, Punjab, CM Captain Amrinder Singh today announced a separate state-funded scheme to provide subsidy ration to 9 lakh beneficiaries not covered under the National Food Security Act. The next news from Chandigarh, the Bathinda police file a case over dispute in US get High Court notice. The next news from Sangrur, the BJP Congress pair over the shifting of 9 crore project in Sangrur. Here in the brief, the decision of the state government to shift the development works on the tune of rupees 9 crore from the Sangrur Nagar Council to Improvement Trust has kicked up a storm. Here the next news from Jalandhar. The Saad MLA, 35 other booked for protesting. The next news from Amritsar, no social distancing at public meeting. Here in the brief, the COVID case and the death have more than doubled in the past fortnight in Moksar district, but some politicians are still giving two hoots to the COVID safety norm and regularly holding gathering. Here the next news from the Rohtak. The Rohtak farmer made the BJP panel give suggestion on ordinance. In the brief here, a three-member committee of the BJP MP compromising Taram, Dharamveer Singh, Brajendra Singh and the Nawab Singh Saini reached the Rohtak on Saturday to take suggestion from the farmer and the trader organizations about the three new ordinances pertaining to agriculture ordinance. The next news from the Panipat, three women found dead in 3 days in Panipat. Next news from the Hisar, the after the cotton, the moon under whitefly attack. Here in the brief, after the cotton crop, the moon growers are facing similar condition as almost the entire moon crop is suspected to have perished due to whitefly attack in Hisar and adjoining area. Moong is cultivated on 22,000 hectares in Hisar. The next news from Karnal. The Karnal Government School open on trial basis. The next news from Jammu. The 1,698 new cases in Jammu and Kashmir, 10 deaths take roll to 864. The next news is the Farooq to attend the parliament for the first time after abrogation. Here in the brief, the National Congress President Farooq Abdullah will be attending the parliament for the first time since capping of the special status of the Jammu and the Kashmir on the August 5 the last year, and he told the Tribune that he would be raising the issue unity with the rest of the opposition. International news from Colombo. The oil tanker authorities ignored fire warning, Lanka court told. Here in the brief, the authority of the oil tanker that went up in flame off Sri Lanka East waters seems to have neglected warning from the crew on possible fire on board, a Sri Lanka court has heard. The next news from the Washington, the Trump brokered peace deal between the Israel and Bahrain. Here in the brief, the US President Donald Trump on the Friday broke another peace deal in the Middle East with the Bahrain, announcing that it would normalize diplomatic ties with Israel. The next news from Washington, with eye on China, the US signed defense deal with Maldives. Next news from the New Delhi. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana will empower the poor, say Modi. In the brief here, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the Saturday inaugurates 1.75 lakh houses built under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in Madhya Pradesh. He said the scheme was meant to empower the poor, adding that the center drive for integrated development of the village and the rural area in the country will be intensified. Now the news is ended here. Thank you.